on coming home. Very fancy names. Let's see how the food tastes. And yeah, for shakes, I've ordered cookie on, cookie monster, and Rachel's ordered a
Strawberry lemonade.
strawberry lemonade. Taste test. If you love cookies, a go-to drink. Or even if you like brownie or chocolate something, go for this instead of a chocolate shake. 10 on 10. She's
looking into your plate. Yes, it's right.
What is this?
I can't.
Decent bro, I would have gone for this. If I didn't know this was like so much. Okay guys, so this is gonna be a review of that place, and I would technically rate it around 8 on 10. The food was good actually, it's just that it makes you lazy, and right now I just want to go back home and just relax. But then we have a lot of we have decided to go to Bangalore Palace today. The sad thing is we cannot go inside Bangalore Palace because one thing, they only accept cash, and the other thing is they only accept card. Now I forgot my wallet in Goa. Rachel had only 1000 rupees cash with her, and I was just doing UPI. And earlier I was just thinking, so good, Bangalore is gone UPI. I don't know what I would have done. And once I reached here, they're like, no, you cannot use UPI. The palace looks stunning from outside. It's a nice British architecture, and I think it's a more like a replica of the Windsor Castle in England. This palace right now is under the Mysore royal family. It looks really stunning. It's around 450 acres. Now we have come to Orion Palace. Sorry, Orion Mall. I think it's pretty massive, so we're going to take a lot of time to roam this entire mall. So actually we are very thirsty, and so we are deciding to roam the mall from top to down because the food court is on top, and I just need water. I don't know what Rachel's gonna get. So we got this water bottle worth 70 rupees. The half of it is over with just 2 sips. We were actually very thirsty because since morning we didn't drink water. It was just Rachel had an iced tea and I had a shake, and I could need water continuously. So now we have decided to go to escape room and see if they allow 2 people or how it is, and then maybe we might do that as an experience. Sadly we cannot go to Jollywood because the cabs and the autos, they don't go over there. We have decided to go and do the escape room challenge. So it is it's a murder mystery.
You have to find the reason behind the girl's death.
And sadly we cannot record inside, so we're going to tell you how the experience is. The story is I put a short so you guys can read what it is, and yeah, we need to find the murder mystery, who killed the person or how she died. Yeah, so that's what we have
Why
to do.
her ghost is haunting the school.
We started with the, what is it called?
The murder
Escape room.
mystery.
Yeah, the murder mystery at 1:50, and we came out at 3:20. Actually, they give you 1 hour to solve everything, but it took us 1 hour 30 minutes roughly. It was fun.
I wanted mint cooler, they didn't have that. Then I wanted lemonade, they didn't have that too. Then I wanted pineapple, they didn't have that as well. So my only option was sweet lime.
Same here, I wanted some lemon mint, but that was not there. Then I asked for watermelon juice. So what I told him is to put some mint leaves in that so that it feels refreshing.
So we grabbed 2 refreshing drinks. One is watermelon mint and one is sweet lime.
And the interesting part is that this is just 89 rupees. I think it's still worth it, 89 or even 60 rupees would have been better, but yeah, 89 is still worth it.
सोच रहे थे बे?
घटिया सोच।
I was always looking for this store, but I didn't know where it was.
This is the store. She saw this and she literally got excited. So we entered the supermarket called Go Fresh. This is what I see. I want to try vegetables, but I think I will try it in Goa. I saw Speed's Prime drink, so I decided, you know what? I don't think you get it in Goa, so might as well just taste it over here and rate it out of 10. Speed's Prime, I show Speed, taste test. Actually good, better compared to other Prime energy drinks. So far I think I had like 2 or 3, but yeah, this one's better compared to other ones. 10 on 10, 10 on 10. Mall is good, so yeah, you do get vegetables also over there, and I chose Peach Prime. It was good. I might have vegetables in Goa only because you get it on Blinkit, so maybe we're going to do some test.